Right, very good morning. Already we solved three problems about the formation of image regarding to concave mirror. Then one more problem. After that, we will discuss directly the uses of concave mirror in our day-to-day life. This is a simple topic only, so that's why I didn't explain much. Simply, I show you some matter which is helps to you. Right, solution. First of all, read the problem. A concave mirror produces a real image 1 centimeter tall of an object 2.5 mm tall placed at 5 centimeter from the mirror. Find the position of the image and the focal length. So, read the problem. A concave mirror produces a real image 1 centimeter tall. That means here given height of the image. Height of the image. Height of the image or size of the image. Size of the image hi is equal to or h2 is equal to minus 1 centimeter by because of concave mirror forms real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. Then tall of an object 2.5 mm tall. So here size of the object also given us. Size of the object HO or H1 is equal to HO or H1 is equal to 2.5 millimeter. See here centimeters given, here mm given. So we need to convert it into centimeter. We know 2.5 into 1 by 10 because we know that 1 mm is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. This is the conversion, very important. That is equal to 0.25 centimeter. Height of the object or size of the object, size of the image we know. So next magnification. Calculate the magnification. Then a tall placed at 5 centimeter from the mirror. So object distance also given in the problem. Object distance u is equal to minus 5 centimeter. But what would you find? Position of image. To know the position of the image, let us calculate the magnification. M is equal to height of the object by height of the height of the image by height of the object. So substitute the values. That implies m is equal to height of the image we know minus 1, height of the object we know 0.25 centimeters. That is equal to minus 4 centimeter. So this one write as minus 1 by 0.25 and we can write 25 by 100. That is equal to 100 by 25. 25 1 jar, 25 4 jar. So magnification m equal to minus 4 centimeter. Then we know one more formula, magnification m is equal to minus v by minus u. So magnification we know minus 4, that is equal to minus v by u వచ్చేసి మనకు తెలుసు value how much minus 5. Minus 5 minus get cancelled here. Then we get v is equal to object distance or position of the image. V is equal to minus 4 into 5, that is equal to minus 20 centimeter. So the position, so the position of image, position of image are is equal to minus 20 centimeter. The position of the image is at minus 20 centimeter. Minus 20 centimeter, or simply we can say that image distance v is equal to minus 20 centimeters. Then we are calculated, we found the position of the image. Then find the focal length. Find the focal length. The image is formed at 20 centimeter. Focal length. Next topic, next part. Focal length F is equal to. We know formula, mirror formula. Mirror formula. Mirror formula. 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. We know image distance, and we also know object distance. Substitute the values. That's equal to 1 by V minus 20 plus of minus 1 by 5 plus of minus 1 by 5, that is equal to minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 5. So 1 by F equal to 1 by F equal to LCM 20. So minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 5 by 20. Minus 5 by 20. So we need to focal length. So focal length F is equal to minus 20 by 5. So minus 4 centimeter. Minus 4 centimeter. Right. So the image, so the focal length of the object, focal length of the mirror is minus 4 centimeters. So in this way, we need to calculate the problems. So practice is the very important. Then let us solve one more problem. An object placed at 20 centimeter, 4 centimeter in front of concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter. Find the nature and position of image formed in each case. Formed in each case. Right. Some cases what will happen, and sometimes there is a chance for asking draw the ray diagrams also. Draw the ray diagrams. ఈ వెరీ రేర్ కేసెస్లో మనకి ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇవ్వడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. సో డ్రా ద రే డయాగ్రామ్స్. సో సొల్యూషన్, రీడ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ అగైన్. Read the problem again. An object is placed at 20 centimeter. So A object distance U is equal to minus 20 centimeter, and the focal length F equal to minus 12 centimeters. Why we are writing minus here? We know as per the convention rules, sign convention rules. We already discussed sign convention rules, which are the very important. Then what we need to find? Position of the image. Find the nature and position of the image. Find the nature and position of the image. So need to calculate the position of the image. Position of the image. Position of the image. Position of the image. V or need to calculate the image distance. Position of the image means at what distance the image is formed. So from the mirror formula, we know 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. We need to calculate the image distance. So 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. Substitute the value. 1 by F minus 12 minus of um, minus 1 by 20, 1 by 20, we can write minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20. So whenever take the LCM, no problem. ఇలా తీసుకుందాం డైరెక్ట్లీ 12 ఇంటూ 20 అని తీసుకున్నాం. 12 క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే 20 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 12 వస్తుంది. దట్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 12 by 12 into sorry minus 8 by 12 into 20. Minus 8 by 12 into 20 is 1 by v. So v is equal to, you can write minus 12 into 20 by 8. 12 into 20 by 8. See, multiple simplification. 4 2s are 4 5s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. So v is equal to minus 30 centimeter. That means the image the image the image is formed the image is formed at a distance of 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. Nature always we know real and inverted. Real and inverted image is formed. So one more here, for example, if I ask draw the ray diagrams for it, then a concave mirror, a concave mirror. So this is the pole, object distance 20 centimeter, focal length 12 centimeter, focal length 12 centimeter. So for example, here it is the focus and this is the 12 centimeter. Maybe it is the center of curvature, 24. So object is placed 20 centimeter, means in between the center of curvature and focus. Object placed here, for example. So we know ray diagram should draw correctly. The image is formed. The image is where the image of an object is formed if the object placed in between the center of curvature and focus. It is formed behind the center of curvature, as we know, right? The image is right. The image is formed where behind the C. Behind the C, the image of an object formed. So ikkada image somewhere drawing correct diagram, so we can get C. So behind the image is formed 30 centimeter. Real and inverted. Real and inverted and enlarged image. Enlarged image is formed. Enlarged image is formed. Then next one, two problems solved. Second part, object in front of the concave mirror. So object distance u is equal to minus 4 centimeter. Focal length minus 12 centimeter. Need to calculate the position of the image, nothing but image distance. From the mirror formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by v plus 1 by u, as we know that formula. So see, easily we can identify that where the image is formed. Where the image is formed. How? If it is the concave mirror, if it is the focal length 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter, image is placed at, the object is placed at 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter in the sense, 4 centimeter In the sense, the object is placed between focus and the pole. Focus and the pole. So we know where the image of an object is formed behind the mirror. Virtual image formed. Virtual image is formed. So from the formula, substitute it. 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by F uh, minus of minus 1 by 4. ఇది క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే ప్లస్ వస్తుంది. సో minus 1 by f minus 12 minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 4 LCM 12 it will be minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Any mistake on solution problems? LCM 12 12 1 jar 1 4 3 jar 3. LCM between 12 and 4. Okay, little bit confusion ఎందుకు we can write 12 into 4. 12 12 cancel, sorry, 4 minus 4 4 4 cancel అయితే 12 వస్తుంది. 12 that is equal to 8 by 12 into 4 1 by V. So V is equal to 12 into 4 by 8. 4 1 jar 4 2 jar 2 1 jar 2 6 jar. So V is equal to plus 6 centimeter. The image is formed at 6 and plus. So the object is placed between the pole and focus. Pole and focus. So virtual image is formed behind the mirror. Formed behind the mirror. So the object distance is plus centimeter. That means the object is formed behind the mirror at 6 centimeter. At 6 centimeter. In this way, we need to calculate the problems. We need to solve the problems. So some cases ray diagram also they will be asked in examination. So that's why first of all we know the meaning of center of curvature, focal length, focus, pole, position must be and object distance, image distance we must be know. In this way we have to calculate the problems, right? So these are totally we are calculated four problems. So you need to practice the problems perfectly, then you are able to give the answers. Thank you.